Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today we're doing a look using the Makeup Addiction Vintage Palette and revisiting our palette series. And then we are also testing a foundation. The foundation is the YSL Touche Eclat All-in-One Glow foundation. So it's a natural medium coverage. Believe it or not, my face is like totally broken out and it actually looks pretty good. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. So today is Sunday and I have to go out for a little bit, but I have a hard time looking at the light. It's because my contact is giving me nothing but trouble. My right contact. I don't know what's up with that today. So I'm just going to put a little bit of moisturizer on my face. And a little bit on my eyes, and then we're gonna get into a look. I'm using the Sunday Riley Tidal moisturizer. I just have a little sample, but I seem to like it. I have not bought like a full size of anything Sunday Riley because I'm kind of cheap. I mean, like I have baskets and baskets of skincare. I'm not buying anything full size until I get rid of all these little samples of stuff I have. To be honest, what I have tried from them, I'm not sure it's that much better than other stuff. Alright, so we're going to do another 2-in-1 kind of thing, or 1 in 2, you know, because I can't remember which is which. And we are going to try a new foundation, and actually it's a tinted moisturizer, and then we're going to try a palette. Or vice versa. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So the palette we're going to use today, which I happen to love. I know I love. I just don't hear a lot of people using this brand. It's called Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. And this is the Vintage palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I have 2 palettes from them, the Vintage and the Spring Meadow, I think it's called. So, yeah, we're just going to kind of dive into this and come up with a little something. How do you move my keyboard out of the way, or it gets makeup all over it? I am looking for my Painterly Pot. So I'm on day 3 with my new tattoo. This one kind of hurts in the healing process. It's weird. Yes, I am putting Painterly on my nose because my nose is super red. Sometimes I do that. Ugh. That contact. I don't know if we're going to make it today. May have to go put a different one in. Alright, let me figure out what brushes we gonna get a hold of. What are we gonna do here? I have these brushes in my bag, like they don't belong here. They don't belong in there. Gosh, that contact, I don't know why it's giving me, it almost feels like I have two in my eye. It's impossible. Every once in a while you get a bad one though, it just happens. And thank God mine are dailies now, so when I have that problem, it's not that big a deal. Alright, so we are going to go in, and I'm going to put this shade right here all up on my lid and into my crease. Yes, I have a little kick up from it. A little kick up. It's always the best time to change your contacts is after you have your makeup on. Said no one. Said no one. Alright. You can barely see that on my eye, but that's okay. We'll get a little bit more crazy. So we're just going to go right next to it, and I will put that into my crease and blend it up. It looks mustard, like a green mustard in the pan, but on the eye it looks more of a brownish color. Cross between a brown and a mustard. Looks like poo. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with this orange shade right here. Just kind of keep adding color to this and see where we go. Orange is not going to be a little bit more difficult. Just keep going lower on my eye. Lower and lower and lower and lower. And building that up a little bit to where I've only got a little bit of my eye that's not covered. Lower, lower, lower. This eye feels kind of funny because I almost feel it moving that contact around. Is that what I want to do? Don't move my contact. Keep building and building and building. I really love this palette. And there's got some fallout, yes, but it's okay. Clean that up. Alright, I think I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is a shimmer shade, and I'm going to put that, like, just a little bit of it. Shimmer is beautiful. We got a lot of fallout. Ugh. My eyes. Okay, I think I'm going to go into this dark here, and it's got a little bit of glitter in it, but that's okay, because I think we're just going to put it on that out part of my eye. The out part, you know, that out part. Not your inner, your outer. Alright, I think that is it for now. We're gonna just perfect. Let's finish up our eyes. And we're gonna go in and we're gonna put some of this orange and this brown on the bottom of our eyes. Maybe we're gonna stick to orange. I like the way it turned out. Okay. And we'll go back into our Persona highlighter, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. All right. We are going to use, let's see if I can get any more out of my sample of this Lancome mascara. It's like almost done. Okay. Alright, beauties, that is 2 days. We have not set this face with powder. Let's doing pretty good. It feels a little bit tacky underneath my chin, but it's alright. The rest of it is doing fabulously. So, we're going to go ahead and set our face with the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. We'll put a little bit of Wax Blast in our hair, because I may go see my hairdresser. Not for a cut or anything, but you know, I may pop in the outfit, which means I will see her, and I don't want her being like, Susan, what are you done to your hair? Right, Jessie? All right, so this is not the finished look because I do not like my brows. Dang it. Swear to God, I'm getting a black pomade. Better? Damn it. I think it's dried out on me. So I'm not getting the same color I normally would get. Because I just went into a different part of it and got a little bit darker. It's a little bit more extreme, but I'm happier. Happier for now. Guys and gals. Alright, so this is the finished look using the Makeup Addiction Vintage Palette. So we'll come back and do some check-ins throughout the day, and I'll let you know how it's holding up. Thank you guys so much. Mwah.